What does it mean to be a leader? And why is leadership so important in our world today? This question sets the tone for our exploration of the power inherent in leadership. Leadership, as we know it, is not merely about being at the helm of affairs, barking orders, and expecting results. No, it's much more than that. It's about influence, inspiration, and the ability to bring out the best in others. In every sphere of life, we see the importance of leadership. In a family setting, we see parents leading their children, guiding them through life. In schools, teachers lead students, cultivating their minds and preparing them for the future. In the corporate world, leaders are those who guide their teams towards shared goals, fostering a culture of collaboration and innovation. Leadership plays a crucial role in team dynamics. A good leader is like a conductor in an orchestra, bringing together different instruments to create a harmonious symphony. They understand the strengths and weaknesses of each team member, assigning roles that best suit their abilities, and fostering an environment where everyone feels valued and heard. In project management, leadership is the driving force that propels a project from conception to completion. The leader is the visionary who sees the big picture, maps out the strategy, and guides the team through the ebbs and flows of the project lifecycle. Leadership is about achieving collective goals. A leader is one who can rally their team around a shared vision, motivating and inspiring them to put their best foot forward. They are the ones who can turn a group of individuals into a high-performing team, working together to achieve a common goal. But perhaps the most significant aspect of leadership is its ability to inspire. Leaders don't just tell people what to do, they show them how it's done. They lead by example, setting the bar high and inspiring others to reach for it. So leadership is not just about being in charge, it's about bringing out the best in others. It's about fostering a culture of trust, respect, and collaboration, where everyone feels empowered to contribute their best. And that, my friends, is the true power of leadership. Now let's delve into how you can unlock your leadership potential. You're not just a leader because of your title or your position. It's more about your ability to inspire and influence those around you. But how can you unlock this potential? It begins with self-awareness. Knowing your strengths, your weaknesses, and understanding how your actions affect others is critical. It's like holding a mirror to your actions and behaviors and being honest with what you see. The next step in unlocking your leadership potential is embracing continuous learning. Great leaders are never done learning. They're always seeking new knowledge, new skills, and new perspectives. They're not afraid to ask questions, to seek advice, or to admit that they don't have all the answers. Let's talk about embracing challenges. It's easy to shy away from difficult situations, but true leaders face them head-on. They see challenges as opportunities for growth, not as obstacles. They're not afraid to take risks, to make difficult decisions, or to step outside their comfort zone. Now, on to feedback. It's all too easy to become defensive when faced with feedback, but effective leaders understand its value. They're open to constructive criticism and use it as a tool for improvement. They're not just open to receiving feedback, but also giving it. They understand that honest, constructive feedback is crucial for the growth and development of their team. The power of empathy in leadership cannot be overstated. It's about understanding and sharing the feelings of others. It's about being there for your team, understanding their challenges, and showing them that they're not alone. Communication is the lifeblood of effective leadership. It's not just about speaking, but also listening. It's about being clear, concise, and transparent. It's about creating an environment where everyone feels heard and valued. Finally, decision-making. Leaders are often tasked with making difficult decisions. It's about weighing the pros and cons, considering the impact on the team, and making a choice with conviction. Remember, unlocking your leadership potential is a journey, not a destination. It requires continuous effort and growth. Having unlocked your leadership potential, how can you then empower your team to reach new heights? This is the question that we'll be answering in this segment. Empowering your team starts with effective delegation. As leaders, it's vital that we trust our team members with meaningful tasks and responsibilities. This not only reduces your workload, but also provides your team with opportunities to grow and develop their skills. When you delegate effectively, you send a clear message. I trust you to handle this. This boosts their confidence and encourages them to take ownership of their work. Promoting a culture of trust and accountability is another key strategy. When team members feel trusted and are held accountable for their work, they are more likely to take initiative and make decisions that can benefit the team and the organization. Trust and accountability go hand in hand with open and transparent communication. Encourage your team to share their thoughts, ideas, and concerns. This will foster a sense of belonging and involvement, making them feel valued and appreciated. Providing opportunities for growth is another crucial aspect of team empowerment. This could be in the form of training programs, mentoring, or even opportunities to lead projects. By investing in your team's development, you're not only enhancing their skills, but also instilling a sense of loyalty and commitment. Finally, recognizing and rewarding efforts is a powerful way to motivate your team and make them feel valued. Whether it's a simple thank you, a public acknowledgement, or a tangible reward, showing appreciation for their hard work goes a long way in boosting morale and productivity. An empowered team is a productive team. When team members feel valued, trusted, and capable, they are more likely to go the extra mile and contribute to the overall success of the organization. By empowering your team, you're not only driving success, but also nurturing future leaders. Remember, leadership isn't just about leading, it's about empowering others to become leaders too. So, are you ready to take your leadership to the next level and empower your team to reach new heights? In the past few minutes, we've journeyed through the essence of leadership, unlocking your leadership potential and empowering your team. We've seen that leadership is not just about giving orders, but rather about inspiring those around you to reach their full potential. It's about listening, communicating openly, and fostering a sense of ownership and involvement within your team. Unlocking your leadership potential requires trust. Trust in your team to make decisions, to take on new challenges, and to grow. It's about providing opportunities for development and building a supportive work environment. Empowering your team is the key to unlocking their productivity, creativity, and overall job satisfaction. When your team feels empowered, they're more likely to succeed. Are you ready to unlock your leadership potential and empower your team to reach new heights? Start today, and remember, leadership is not a title, but an action and example.